Want deeper bass, clearer vocals, and richer sound on your Sony WH-1000XM6? Let's set up the best equalizer to unlock the XM6 full potential. First, you have to make sure you have the Sony Sound Connect app installed. If it's not on your device, just download it from the App Store or Play Store. Simply search for Sony Sound Connect app. Just install it and set it up. After setting up your Sony Sound Connect app, now scroll down a bit and choose Equalizer. You can see there are multiple equalizer presets available. You can choose any one you like or customize it just like I did. So you can pick custom 1 or 2, then go for the settings icon. Now just follow along with these slider adjustments. Start with 31Hz at +2, this gives you that deep punchy sub-bass feel. Now raise 63Hz to +1, it adds a bit of low-end weight without getting too heavy. Now leave 125Hz at 0, that keeps the mid-bass clean and avoids muddiness. Now bump 250Hz slightly to +1, this adds some warmth and body to the sound. Now push 500Hz up to +1, this helps bring out depth in instruments and lower vocals. Now go with +1 at 1kHz, this makes vocals and leads more present and clear. Now you have to boost both 2kHz and 4kHz to +3 because this is great for highlighting details and sharpness in the mix. Now you can take 8kHz to +4 for adds brightness and crispness, especially noticeable in hi-hats and effects. Now finally set 16kHz to +3, brings in that array because this brings in that array sparkle and makes everything feels more open. There's another custom equalizer present as a bonus. I will show it to you shortly. You can try it out. You might end up liking it. It sounds a lot, but once you slide them into place, the difference is huge. Music feels alive, voice sounds clear, and the bass. I hope this guide helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.